Hello guys to my very first video after so long time. Um, in this video we will talk about the one of the login feature which is implement while visiting the website or doing something which is in which the login is required. So it's the basic simple feature, simple function which I implement. Like we all basically, I want the user to be logged in before proceeding another page, uh, so that if the user is not logged in, if the user is not logged in, then on button click it will go to the login page. If the user is logged in, like if a user the user is now logged in, if I click on the enroll button, it will redirect to the payment page. Let's write the code. Write my own code and share it with. I will write my own code and share it with you. So basically, the code is. So let's start with coding. So let's make a simple variable const to. So let's make a simple variable const navigate. Navigate. So the use navigate function will be taken from the React router DOM, and another variable set logged in and wrap it up. So we will use the use state function, which is use state, which is taken from the React, or by default we have to put it on the false condition to write the to implement the is login and set login state. We have to define the use with the help of use state. We can define it use state use effect. Sorry, to implement the further function, we have to use the use effect from the React use effect from the React and by fat arrow. Let's make a simple variable auth from get auth. So basically, it take the auth is taken from the Firebase auth because I am storing the user data in the Firebase database. Let's make another variable and unsubscribe. Unsubscribe and by the uh, provided function from the Firebase, we have to use on auth state change from the Firebase. And so this is my collection name, which I have stored in the Firestore database. By using fat arrow, we will implement the set is login. So set Hmm, logged in and implement as a user. Sorry for the syntax error. And return the unsubscribe variable. Let's make another variable handle. We'll click um, handle enroll click. Okay. And using fat arrow, we will implement the empty function prevent default is logged in. So basically navigate to uh, so this is my where I want to navigate this page. This is my location route, and for else it will navigate to my registration form. So we can implement loading also. For that, we have to make another variable fonts loading set loading by using use state sorry user use state. So in default condition, it must be true, and to implement this, we have to set loading, make it a false, and if loading, else if the loading return the loading. To implement this handle click, we have to put it in the button right after the enroll button. Where is here? We can put it here on click and paste. Now, if the I have already logged in, so if I log in as a user and we will if I log in, it will redirect to the page. And if I log out the page and go for then it will redirect to the sign in page. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.